When equipment is damaged through collisions or other accidents, the damage must be assessed and repaired before the equipment is used again. All incidents must be reported using the specific reporting procedures at the mine. When you work on mobile equipment, set the parking brake and chock the wheels. If the equipment comes with a locking mechanism, such as a locking bar on articulated equipment, make sure it is utilized. Forks and buckets should be in the lowered position on the floor or ground to prevent you from being caught under them. Remove the key to the vehicle and place a tag on the steering wheel that lets others know it should not be started. Choose the proper tools for the job and avoid using cheater bars. Cheater bars can cause serious injury if the bar slips or the bolt snaps. Backstops and brakes have to be installed on drive units of inclined conveyors to prevent the conveyors from running in reverse. You can see that if this conveyor started going backwards, it would be a hazard to anyone around it. Required guards have to be securely in place while machinery is being operated unless you're testing or making adjustments that can't be performed without the removal of the guard. The guards are designed to withstand the vibration, shock, and wear to which they will be subjected during normal operations. If you see guards that are loose or missing, be sure to notify your supervisor. De-energize equipment and use lockout, tagout, tryout procedures. Lock the conveyor, crusher, and other machines against hazardous motion before repairing or doing maintenance on the machine. Block all equipment from movement before working on, under, or around it. Make sure guards are in place. If you remove a guard to work on a machine or conveyor, make sure it is locked out while you perform maintenance. Replace the guard when you're finished. Then remove the lock and properly energize the equipment. Return idler pulleys may look safe, but they can hurt you. Never adjust or repair them while the conveyor is running. Don't clean running conveyor pulleys. Many injuries and fatalities have occurred when the tool a miner was using to clean a roller got caught and pulled the miner into the pinch point. It happens so fast, you don't even have time to let go of the tool. Don't ever try to scrape or clean running conveyor pulleys and rollers. Keeping equipment properly lubricated is essential for efficient production and lower maintenance cost. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for the type of lubricant and how much and how often it is applied. If a bearing fails or shows signs that it's going out, repair should be made as soon as practical. Failure to repair bearings in a timely manner can result in significant damage to other parts and even failure of the entire unit. The belt is the most expensive item in a conveyor system. To minimize repair and replacement cost, make sure the belt operates properly and regular maintenance is performed. To prevent injury, think about the job you're doing. Select the proper tool and adjust your workspace and the placement of the workpiece if you can. Follow general safety guidelines when performing maintenance and repair work. Always be on the lookout for tripping hazards in repair shops and the work area. Keep walkways clear of materials, tools, and cords. Tape extension cords to the floor, safely cover them, or reroute them out of the path of walkways. If you observe a trip hazard, take care of it according to your company's policies.